Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix 007 first light game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller and select power button, then select restart PS5. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold on power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to check HDMI connection. So you should check whether the HDMI cable is properly connected or not on your PS5. If there is any problem on the cable, then change it and use another one to get rid of the issue. Next solution is to enable or disable HDCP. So for that, first go to settings menu from the PS5 home screen. Now choose system, then select HDMI from the sidebar. Here toggle enable HDCP to on or off, and after that launch the game and check. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings, then click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar. Now select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select 007 first light game, click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to change DNS settings on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, click on network, click on settings, click on setup internet connection. Here select your network and press the options button and then select advanced setting and then change DNS settings to manual. After that, change the Google DNS, primary and secondary is mentioned over here. Next, choose OK to save. It is recommended to go to network, then click on connection and connection status, test internet connection to ensure it is working properly. Next method is to check for game updates. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after that launch the game and check. Next is to check storage space on console. For that, first go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Next, choose console storage and then tap on delete option. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Then select the game and after that launch it and check. Next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, select system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to reinstall 007 first light game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install 007 first light game again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across and after that wait for some time unless the support team resolves the problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.